DD time. Aaron Nelson 699 looks to be going strong. Jamie Moore 610 looks like it's coming out as well.
Okay people, DD time. So let's have a look. Who's out there? We've got 352, 998, so that was 63 going past. We'll go down to the first bend. Got 270, 136. 785 goes past with 512.
Silver and red still going around. Squirt still going around at 572. That's all I've seen the big
I believe it was supposed to be DD time. This is quite interesting.
Oh, Squirts. I thought it was being picked up there. Running watch, is it going to be Jamie?
Oh, he just must have thought it was Squirt. He just flipped over twice. I wonder if Command got that one. Oh, we just got clipped there. So we have a tyre track down on the entrance to turn 1. We've got 266. I'm thinking he's going to see that. So. Stuff going on.
I think Aaron Nelson's been put on the tyre, so I don't think he'll be there much more. It's Jamie Moore still going.
A lot of stuff going on the back end of the track.
Paul Scully still going. Yes, he's up the top bend there.
Oh, we've... Right, 63 goes past with very fast. 266 in, down to bend 1 as they're going round. Are they going to smash him?
Squirt's got blue lines for him.
I think we've got 577 going reverse. Might be wrong.
512, Matt Armstrong goes in hard there.
Okay, 93, the Glads is going round slowly.
I think someone's going to slip down a bottom bend.
I've got a red flag. Well, 707 is just trying to get his car going.
Let's get the rest of these cars up and finish.
Bit interesting. He's trying to get his 707's finally found his gear. He's getting going. 35. He's got his foot down. He's going. Now Squirt's car is 572 is literally left in the middle of the track on the start finishing line. We've got 707 catching up with that 266, I think.
Still moving.
And then we've got shooting past me right now. We've got 63. That's Dixie. With 266 very fast into bend 1 and 707 in close succession. That looks like they're going to meet up in a minute. And the TMC 35. Oh, he just collided with them.
385 still comes back out on there as well.
I think there's some Avengers going on here. I really do. Seems to be a big smack there on bend 2. Hopefully our cameraman's picked that one up. With 266 just going around, looks like he's just doing the laps. We've got 35 and 385 going past, and I think someone's just gone on 385's car because it's making a hissing sound as it went past. We've got 266 trundling around as well.
63 still moving, 266 still moving.
63 is trying to take out a yellow. Oh! Hopefully we got that one. I'm up against the fence.
He's got a clean car.
I'm up against the fence, so I can't exactly see what the cameraman's pushing out. 35's getting worse.
707. 63.
I think
266 seems to be the only ones that are still moving.
266 seems to be going on some kind of travel. I think some kind of holiday.
Very, very slow.
But I've got a very funny feeling that the next one round the bend on bend 4 or turn 4, number 63 Dixie is going to try and track it down. Oh, we've got some smoke down in the middle of 1 and 2, turns at 1 and 2. 35 has got driver's side rear out. I think he just crashed into somebody. Oh! 63 is 63.99, I think, are having a little bit of a sandwich. That was 93 one, or 63.
Something chronic now.
Oh, we've got something going, I think it's Dixie going the wrong way. Is it Dixie? No, 385, Southern Bangers. I think it's just catering service. Not a car like that. Interesting, it's going around the wrong way. They're not attacking it, really. 35 as well going around. Oh, I think they're teammates, that's why. Oh, head on with 35. Bit slow, could have been faster, as they said.
Going to get jacked up as well.
Oh!
That's a hard jack up.
Jen giving you the full information there for.
Okay, so I think that's it. I think the last car moving is 266.
266 wins.
266 seems to be the last car running. That is Brad Wells. So checker flag gets dropped on Brad Wells.
Well done, Brad Wells. Well done.